Okay, here we have EMO. This is a test unit, so the final production unit. The boxing I know is going to look different. There's slightly different wording on the side in the final unit than this one. Slip that off and we'll open up EMO. And there we see EMO in his box. I have the light with EMO. This is, again, a tester unit, so there'll be other markings and so forth on the final production units, no doubt. I've already had this out of the box once because when I recorded that video, I didn't do it in the right format, so it didn't work. So we have EMO's power supply, US plug, not a problem. I can pair that with an Aussie adapter and that will work. That's a USB-C format there. We have EMO's charging skateboard. Again, USB-C, little light up here. Charging pad, make it very obvious there. Then of course we have EMO himself, fairly comfortably packed in the box. Let's get the box out of the way. There we go, just knock things over on the desk. And we can see EMO. Again, it's a test unit. The final production units, for instance, will maybe be very slightly different with some of the bits and pieces on them. His little headphones here, they can just unclip and come off. We'll look at that a little bit more later on. So there we have it, EMO unboxed.